In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix. This will be an invaluable skill for anyone looking to create a smooth and professional user experience on their website. It can help visitors navigate seamlessly to specific sections of a page just by clicking on the menu items. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Wix account and have the site open where you want to make these changes. Having your site open allows you to directly access the editor and make real-time amendments. Begin by going to the page where you want to add the anchors. It is important to remember that anchors help viewers locate areas of interest without needing to scroll through the entire page. Now that you are on the correct page, the next step is to identify the section at which you want the first anchor to be placed. This could be any significant part of your page you want quick access to, such as a specific service, a gallery, or even a section providing detailed information. Click on the Add button, usually found on the left side of the editor. A menu will pop up showing a variety of elements you can add, among which you'll find menu. Although that's not what we need right now, it's good to familiarize yourself with what's available there. Look down the list for more, and hover over it. In the expanded menu, you'll see the option for Anchor. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll see a small anchor icon appear on your page. This icon can be dragged and dropped where you need it, so place it right at the point you want to direct your visitors to. It's recommended to label these anchors clearly. Double-click on the anchor name to rename it to something descriptive of the section it's anchoring. This naming will come in handy when we link menu items. Having set your anchors, turn your attention to your site's menu. Click on it, and you'll see the option to manage the menu links. Navigate to the menu item you wish to link to the newly created anchor. When selecting or editing a menu item, you'll be offered a set of options on how you want to link this menu. It might open up pages, documents, or in this case, anchors. Choose the anchor option, and you will see a drop-down list of all the anchors you've created on the page. Select the relevant anchor for that menu item. Repeat these linking steps for other menu items you have, making sure each one points exactly where you intend it to. This dynamic linking offers a direct and efficient path for your audience to reach the content they are most interested in, and greatly enhances their browsing experience. Once you've linked all necessary items, it's always wise to preview the site to ensure everything operates smoothly and as expected. That's it. You've successfully linked your menu items to anchors on Wix. This simple yet effective design choice can improve navigation and usability significantly. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!